Hello everyone, this is Ruchika Bhaskar, student of B.Sc Honours Biotechnology second year from the Department of Life Sciences. I am from Hyderabad, Telangana. Firstly, I am going to share something about my course, that is B.Sc Honours Biotechnology. In biotechnology, basically biotechnology is the use of biology to obtain or develop new products, methods and organisms intended to improve human health and society. In our life science department, we have multiple programs. In bachelor's degree, we have 3 programs, and in master's degree, we have 6 programs. I'm really thankful to have kind faculties in our department who always make us comfortable to learn great things. We are also having a great infrastructure and great laboratories in our department. Now, I'm going to share my views on Mewar University. As you step into this university, you are exposed to knowledge to wisdom. This university stands on 5 Ds: devotion, dedication, determination, desire and diligence. University thrives to achieve these Ds. In endeavor to do so, it's not the failure but the success is following us. I'm really glad to be the part of this magnificent university. Thank you so much.